When it comes to learning a new language, there's several different ways to say one thing. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you the different ways to say look in Haitian Creole. By the way, it's your Haitian cousin Gade. So let's start off with the basic, the one you already know, Gade. Gade. Gade means look in Haitian Creole. So you could be like, "Ba gadim, don't look at me. Ba gadim, don't look at me." Or you could be like, "Gade fia, look at the girl. Gade fia, gade, gade. Gade jan wap pale avem nan oui. Look at how you talking to me. Pay attention to how you talking to me. Gade, gade. We, eske ou we? We means see. Eske ou we? Do you see? Eske ou we samtap dula? Do you see what I was telling you? Eske ou ka we? Can you see? We. Koto ye mba well. Where are you? I don't see you. We. Koto ye mba well. Mwel kunya. Oh, I see you now. I see you. We. So we is what we use when we want to say see in Haitian Creole. Fikse. Fikse means stare in Haitian Creole. So you could be like, "Ou pa we jan fam nan fikse je lab gadem?" Fikse. You don't see how that lady, she looking at me and staring at me? Ou fikse je ou pou gade mwen? Ou fikse je ou pou gade m kon sa? You staring at me with your eyes like that? Pa fikse moun kon sa. Pa fikse moun kon sa. Ou pa dwe fikse moun kon sa. You shouldn't stare at people like that. Don't stare at people like that. Ou pa dwe fikse moun kon sa. You shouldn't stare at people like that. Veye. Veye is what we say when we say watch. To keep an eye out. Watch. Eske ou ka veye ti moun mwen se men sa? Can you watch the kids this week? Veye. Veye garçon sa oui? Watch that guy. Veye garçon sa. Fisa mpa fel confiance. Veye. That girl, I don't trust her. Watch her. Keep an eye out. Veye. Obsève. Obsève means observe in Haitian Creole. Obsève. Mbare me jwap obsève non? I don't like the way that you're observing me. Ma obsève situation. I'm going to observe the situation. Now let's get some practice using these words. I want you to imagine you're at a party. Ou gade tout moun yo. You're looking at all the people. Ou gade tout moun yo. Kounya ou we zanmi yo. Me yon moun ap fikse yo. Somebody is staring at you now. So you got to the party. You were looking at everybody. You finally saw your friend, but you noticed somebody staring at you. Wap veye pititou. So you're watching your kids. Wap veye pititou. Epi kounya ou komanse a obsève sa ka pase. So now you started to observe what is happening. Obsève. You get the difference? So the apps, the robots, they teach you one way of saying things when actually there's context behind everything. We don't just use one word uniform for everything. So in today's episode, I really hope you learned the different ways that we like to say look, stare, watched, observe, because it's a vibe. It's your Haitian cousin Gade, and go ahead and let me know how you felt about today's class.